Hey there folks, I want to build another napkin holder today.
How many napkin holders does your wife need?
No, it's not that. We've got a couple requests for napkin holders, and this one we just kind of built it out of one piece of wood and just cut a channel down through here, if you can see that. And I want to experiment and see if I can find an easier way to do this. I think I can. I've got a couple ideas, so stay with us today and we'll show you how we do it.
Yeah, stick around, folks. This will be fun.
You're watching Patrick Parson Workshop.
Alright, so we've got 3 pieces of wood to make the napkin holder. So this one is going to go in there. Now it's not going to be quite that wide. I'm going to put dovetails in here so these can fit together, sliding dovetails. That's how it's going to work. Pretty good fit. Pretty light on this part. All right. See how I did here. Lots of glue coming out. Probably went a little heavy there. And I am going to put a clamp or two on here just to keep it all tight. Because I don't want this to close up here and be different than this. So I really would like to get a spacer in there. Alright, so I got a few of these napkin holders made now. I think I'm going to go with this design where we've got the sliding dovetails there where the sides slid onto the base here, and I've got this one all glued up. I've got it sanded, but there are a few gaps here and a few gaps around the dovetails, small. So I'm going to go ahead and sand this down real good and then see about filling those gaps.
You have been watching the Patrick Parson Workshop, which we hope you have found informative. In the comment section below, please share your thoughts, questions, and any ideas you may want us to address in the future. Also, why not consider subscribing to the channel, as every week we will have something new for you, and we would surely hate for you to miss it. As always, thanks for watching Patrick Parson Workshop.